Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register Medicare Online Claims Portal, setup guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Medicare Online Claims Portal. Once the page loads, locate the register button on the home page. Click on the register button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your name and date of birth. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided on the page. Next, input your Medicare number, which can be found on your Medicare card. Provide your address, including your street, city, state, and zip code. After completing the form, review all the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Medicare. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Enter any additional information required to complete your setup. After verification, log into the Medicare Online Claims Portal using your email and password. Explore the features available to manage your claims effectively. Remember to log out after each session to protect your information. You are now ready to navigate the Medicare Online Claims Portal. Take your time familiarizing yourself with the tool and its resources. For further assistance, refer to the FAQ section or contact customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.